Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Shein account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Shein account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address shein.com and don't enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Shein like this guys over here. Now in order to proceed to log into your account, let's close this. On this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a person icon over here, and when we hover over that person icon, this kind of menu appears where it says the sign in / register. Click on that and you will be taken over here, which is the sign in or the register page of Hulu. Now in order to proceed to log into your account, enter your mobile number or the email address of your Hulu account over here. Let's close this for now. And after entering your email address guys, click on continue button over here, and on the next step you'll be required to enter the password of your Hulu account, and a button to log into your account will be available over there. And with that being said guys, after entering your email, click on continue. On the next step, enter your password, and then you'll be able to sign into your Shein account online on your computer from this website. And then guys, this is how to log into your Shein account, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.